How we doing, guys? I'm excited to make this video. You guys are trying to make money in the market, right? That's why we're waking up early. That's why we're watching these videos. Look, guys, we've got traders over here. I'll make this really quick. I want to pump us up before we get into this video. This guy bought the indicator. He's like, I made my money back already within 24, 48 hours, literally. This guy over here, he's like, I'm making above $1,000 a month with the indicators, trend exhaustion, price risk, money flow. I'll be showing that to you guys in today's video. Scalping trade call we call out, which I'm going to talk about scalping trade setup in today's video. Made $200 over here. I told you I made $1,000 from $150. In this month, I made $3,000 of that same $1,000. So he took $150 and turned it into $3,000 within 2 months. The indicators did it. I'm going to show you what these guys are using when they're coming out and they're saying, hey, I made $2,000 on this call. And this guy over here, he did use leverage. He did a 450%. Okay. I'm just jacking you guys up because I want to show you guys how we are actually getting into scalping trades over here. And we have this record over here that you guys can clearly see on our website, 440% more than the S&P 500. The S&P 500 from the beginning of this year to now is down about 18%. That puts us over 600% more than the S&P 500 if you guys are following our membership and you're taking the trades that we're calling out. That is only $75 a month. Do the math on your account. If you guys are using your full balance, the risk management is placed over here if you guys are using 1, 2, and 3 buy limits. So please take a look at this. Look at the percentages. Take a look at your account and imagine what could be happening if you guys joined us. All right, that's just to pump you guys up. I want to now show you guys what I'm looking for in the market to teach you guys how to fish so you can do this every single day. The first thing I do in the morning when I get up and I'm looking for trade setups is this. I have all my watch list over here to the right. What I do on the charts is if I don't see a buy signal on the daily time frame, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to look at these two indicators, trend exhaustion and price risk money flow. Follow me through this video, guys. This is literally what I do to look for trade setups in the market and what I'm going to do to look for the next one. So first thing I'll do, I'll come over here. If I don't see a buy signal, I'm just going to look. Is trend exhaustion in the bottom red section? Is money flow low? If I don't see that, I'm simply going to just move on to the next coin. So I'm going to come here. I'm just going to move on to the next one. All right, great. Is this low? No, it's not. I'm just going to simply cruise on to the next one. Is it low over here on 88? No, not very low. Mana is actually at a decent place down here, and it's getting lower than the other coins. What about Dogecoin? Dogecoin is actually pretty stinking low over here, so I'm actually going to put a little green bar on here. What I'm going to look for next year, or green tag, DOT. DOT, trend exhaustion is moving down. We also see that the money flow is trying to move up here. This is actually somewhat of a form of divergence. That's not bad. Let's mark that up. SHIB. I would say this is more in the middle section, so I'm going to move on to the next one. AVAX, that's super low over here, showing that money's moving into the market. That's a potential as well. EOS, oh my gosh, I didn't realize EOS was so low. EOS down here is literally touching the bottom. Last time this touched the bottom over here, we saw a huge market reversal, and this time over here literally called the bottom of the wick, and then we started to see it move back up. So EOS is not looking bad either. Also, money flow is super low. There's some good setups, guys. Ape, too high for me in my opinion. Link, too high for me. I'm looking right down here. I'm looking for trend exhaustion to be low and money flow low. I see some other ones that are better than VET. Solana, yeah, no, I want to see it a little bit lower. I want to see that lower too. I see some other ones that are lower. Atom, I think Doge and DOT are better than this one as well. Looking at LTC, you and I, we've got a managing trade over there, and then that, which I don't think is a good setup at the moment. And then SPY. Real quick, let's take a quick pit stop. I just came out with a video showing you guys 6 bullish signs in the market of why the S&P 500 could turn around. I put a yellow line right here so we can watch that analysis. I believe within the next 1 to 5 days, we could see a market turn around back up here. Yes, it could go down a little bit more. I do believe we're going to see a market turn around. That's why it's prompting this video. All right, let's continue. Now that you guys have this mocked up in here where you're looking at trend exhaustion low and money flow low, what is the next thing I look at? I look to see if we have a buy signal on the daily time frame, and we don't. But have we gotten a buy signal recently? And we have. So what I like to do now is I like to go down to the lower time frames. You guys can watch this metric over here. I'll show you in this video. Literally, I'm gonna pause for a second. I'll show you in this video how to get all these indicators here and get 53% off this new indicator we have. Okay, I'll show you that in just one second. This metric here, however, you guys actually get access. When I told you guys $75 a month for all of our trade calls, on top of the trade calls, you get access to this metric to check every single morning if you got a buy signal on the top 20 cryptocurrencies, as well as the top 20 stocks, including the SPY. So you guys are going to get access to that, okay? Just want to share that with you guys because I think it's kind of cool. Here's what I'm going to do. I am now going to go down to the 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to assess the market and see if we have any buy signals over here on any of these. Doge doesn't have a buy signal yet. DOT, it doesn't have one yet. AVAX, I thought we might have one, but we don't have one yet. EOS, we don't have one yet. So here's what I'm waiting for, guys. And this is honestly what I'm doing. If you guys know about the scalping trades I've called, and I told you guys, I won't share this publicly on YouTube because I want to keep it private to our members. Out of all these coins here, I have one that my specific eye is on more than the others. Okay, if you guys are in the membership, you guys will see what that coin is. I will be calling out a scalping trade on that coin very soon, but I am waiting for this last confirmation here. I want to either see us push into a green liquidity pool, or I want to see a strong buy or a buy signal go off on the 4-hour time frame. That is what I'm watching for. If we can get that, guys, or if I see one other sign in the market here that, we can see a little bit of a bullishness pattern take over, I am going to call out the next trade for you guys. If you guys are patient and you're using the risk management that I show you guys, you can do really well. Let me show this to you over here. Let me pull up a DOT for a second, and we'll use it as an example. I want to get this off here because I want to show you guys how we actually use risk management now, because this is where you guys are buying insurance on your trades and really can do well. With this indicator here, it comes with 1, 2, and 3 buy limits, as well as the take profit. We use a 4% take profit on all of our scalping trades, all of them. You guys can see this here, okay? Why 4%? Because the lower highs, the lower lows, the oscillations back and forth in the market right here and right here, because we're obviously buying because we're going long, the movements back up, I have seen the market almost always move between 4 to 7% back up. That is how when we take these, we are winning them really fast. UNI is one we're holding for a little bit longer, but I'm going to keep calling trades out. We just won DOT on the 27th. So when I'm looking at this, I'm looking at the risk management here. And this indicator, what it does is it comes out and it shows you what your market entry is. It shows what your first buy limit, your second buy limit, and third buy limit. When you guys see this chart over here, let me go to the daily time frame. This will make this just a little bit easier to see here with price structure. When you guys come over here and you see this scalping spreadsheet and you say, all right, all the traders who have used one buy limit, you're at 22%. 2 buy limits, you're at 14%. 3 buy limits, you're at 11%. This is where you guys can choose your aggressiveness. Now, look, I came out over here and said, we hit 1 buy limit on this trade already, just so you guys know, 1 buy limit. All the other trades, we've never hit a single buy limit. Everything is literally won within 48 to 72 hours on all the other trades. It's been really amazing. This next trade, I do believe, is going to win pretty fast. So when you use risk management, this is going to keep your account safe. I promise you guys, in the end, if you do this for 1 to 2 years, people who use 2 buy limits, 1 to 2 buy limits, are going to come out ahead than people use their full balance. I'm just showing you guys people who have the max profit is 44%, which is 440% more than an average 10% yearly turnaround of the S&P 500. And obviously right now we're down 18%, which is putting everyone literally about 600%, even more than that, if you guys are scalping with us. So I'm going to end this video here and kind of land this, and I'll show you guys how to get the indicators. When you guys look to get into a trade, this is not financial advice, but this is what we do. We take our position, let's say it's $10,000. We then split it up into a minimum of 2 buy limits with a market order. So $10,000 split into 3 buy limits, or we're going to use one as a market order, is $333 immediately in the market. $333 for this example would be at $532. $333 for example would be at $380. This is going to buy you guys insurance. If it goes up, you guys make your money on the percentage you have in the market. If it goes down, however, your break-even entry does not stay here. Your break-even entry moves down between the first and the second, giving you more favorable entry as well as getting more money in the market. So when it does go back up, you make more money. Do you guys see how this is possibly the most sound way to trade? It's not putting all your money in the market. Look, if you want to do that, you can, but I'm telling you, I do not suggest you guys put all your money in the market. I'm doing this for, just transparent reasons for those of you guys who are and you want to take that risk. But I'm telling you, it may look fancy right now. Honestly, guys, it may look really good right now. But if the market really tanks, those who use risk management will come out ahead of those who put all their money in the market. That is why I'm keeping this transparent on here, guys. 22%, 14%, you've beaten the S&P 500, and we've only done this for 3.5 months. Imagine what we're going to look like going into next year and the rest of the year. Like, we may actually hit over 1,000%. So when you guys do this, look to use risk management. Okay, let me get you guys into this right now. I've shown you guys how to actually get these indicators, because the deals we got going on right now is honestly pretty insane. The trend exhaustion and price versus swell money flow. These two indicators down here are incredible. That's the testimonial I showed you guys in the beginning of this video where the guy's making, he says, I'm making over $1,000 a month. That's what he's using. Trend exhaustion, price versus swell money flow. Those two indicators are in what's called our bundle pack. Okay, easily our highest selling product by far. It's been around a lot longer than this one, but it's incredible. Lifetime access, source codes included with these. So when you guys get the bundle pack, literally 82% off, go look at the retail prices on our website. You will literally see it's 82% off. You are going to get 9 indicators in that. Geek out, guys, and have a blast with the other 7. I have tutorial videos for every single one of these, and we jokingly call this the jackpot indicator, because seriously, watch it and you'll see why I call it the jackpot indicator. Those are amazing. Now, everybody who purchases the bundle pack, we're like, look, if you're going to spend that money, we're going to give you literally a 53% off coupon code. You purchase this, guys, immediately. Seriously, I'm saying immediately after checkout, you will see a PDF that says surprise gift. I'm highlighting everything for you. Open that surprise gift and you will get the exact coupon code for 53% off the top and bottom finder. This is how we confirm our trades, guys. This is what has gotten us into these last trades over here. And you guys know this because I've called this out in the scalping trades. We have won these within literally 24 some of these is actually in 6 hours, but 24 to 48 hours. 2 days we're winning these trades. We are waiting for the confirmation and we're winning trades a whole lot faster. All of my OGs know this. We used to get money in right away in the market so we get exposed. We are waiting for buy signals now because of how accurate this metric is. Literally called the bottom candle. Look at this. It called the exact bottom candle before I move up, the exact bottom candle before I move up, and the exact bottom candle before I move up. And honestly, guys, in this whole downtrend, where's the bottom candle? It is exactly on the buy. Literally 4 signals in a row calling the exact bottom candle before we see moves back up. That is how we're making this money and how you're going to make money back, and you're going to do really well. So bundle pack, 53% off coupon code, buy this. It is cheaper to get the bundle pack and get the 53% off than buying this by itself. And look, instead of getting 2 indicators, that's why I have it highlighted. Instead of getting 2, you will actually get 11. I'm serious, guys. This is how we are making money in this market. My personal account, I'll show this to you guys. We are in and out of the market. We're doing what's called an accumulation phase right now where we're buying low and we're selling high. We're selling high and we're buying back in the market. $50,000 is break even. We're up $2,837 in this market. At $20,500, where Bitcoin is sitting at $20,500, we are at $4,000 in the profit. What I'm doing now is I'm looking to buy back into this market, guys, and get more money in to ride this back up. So I'm showing you guys my personal account using these indicators is up. You guys can all see that. It is awesome to be trading this way, and I think you guys are going to see an incredible increase in your guys' trading. So ending this video here, bundle pack first, come over here, get the indicators. You guys will have all the tools you need. If you want to come get all of my scalping trade calls, it's only $75 a month. I will call this out for you guys, and I do think we're going to see some trades either today or potentially Friday that I'll be calling for you guys on the actual inside tips. So make sure you guys stick around for that. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. Indicators and membership are in the description. Snag them. Enjoy making the money going into fourth quarter before Christmas and have a blast. All right, we'll see you guys later. Use that coupon code. Bye, guys.